Iwasan natin ang ngayon. Bumalik sa ating kahapon, nung buhay natin ay puno pa ng kulay.
So that's it. That's my section. 20, way back 1998, before I became the department head, right? Diba?
Yes.
The following year. Kaya yun ang maganda roon. But I wish everybody, that's the most important there is they're all happy. Wow. Just like me, of course. Am I right? Yes. And what do you want me to say about your section?
Oh, ang isang magandang advice.
I'll be expecting everybody has already a kids by this time. Hindi na uso na ngayon yun. Then nakakatawa yung section ninyo. Masaya. Kaya masaya yun. Sana ma-experience nyo na maging masaya. Pag may family. Ay, nag-inggit pa si mom. Kasi you're already, alam ko, nasa 30 years old na kayo lahat.
28.
28. And all are all successful in their life. As a sick girl.
Wow.
Or a career woman. A career man. But I don't know. I would not think sorry. Sabihin sa broad ang success in life. You know? What is nice in the Philippines is is that you have lots of jobs here. Just a matter of how you're going to invest for that. And most especially to what I learned in the interview. You know how to sell yourself. If you know something about them, you'll tell them. Yung alam mo left and right ng company, ng job description mo. That's how you go into sales. At syempre yung potential. Ganda yun. Yun ang advice ko sa anak ko. Try your very best that you can sell yourself during the interview. May alam ka. Hindi lang yung gano'n lang alam. To do like that. Para mapabili mo ito. Hindi mo kailangan mag-create ka ng ano. Kasi yung totoo. Kaya reading is the best. You know something about this topic. Read the newspaper, natatandaan ko na lagi sa sinasabi sa inyo yan. I always think, kasi alam ko fourth year kayo, you're going out. Kaya ano ba yung mga advice ko pa sa inyo noon? You have to study hard. You have to study hard. Kaya to all of you, I love you all. Sana next time na magkita ulit tayo ay another story in your life that we're going to tell me. Pwede ba mag-video kahit makita ko yun? Hindi naman.
Opo.
Yung real ito.
Opo.
Hindi yan. I'll try my very best, ano? Sige. I love you all. See you there.
Tayo tumanda. Tumanda. Tayo'y tumanda. Tignan mo na naman ang nagagawa ng panahon. Kay layo na natin sa noon. Without love, there's nothing left to feel. After all these years,